Heat and temperature. Learning objectives. To understand the working principle of thermometer, to measure temperature using thermometer, to know about thermometric liquids, to differentiate between clinical and laboratory thermometer, to know the various units of temperature, to convert a temperature from a thermometer scale to others. Temperature. The measurement of warmness or coldness of a substance is known as its temperature. It is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particle in an object. Temperature units: degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Thermometer. Thermometer is the instrument used to measure temperature. In a thermometer, when a liquid gets heat, it expands, and when it's cooled down, it contracts. It is used to measure temperature. Mostly, alcohol and mercury are used in thermometer. We measure the temperature by measuring expansion of liquid in thermometer. Properties of mercury. Its expansion is uniform. For equal amounts of heat, it expands by equal length. It is opaque and shining. It does not stick to the sides of the glass tube. It is a good conductor of heat. It has a high boiling point, 357 degrees Celsius, and a low freezing point, minus 39 degrees Celsius. Hence, a wide range of temperature can be measured using a mercury thermometer. Properties of alcohol. The freezing point of alcohol is less than minus 100 degrees Celsius, so it can be used to measure very low temperatures. It expands per degree Celsius. Rise in temperature is very large. It can be colored brightly and hence is easily visible. Clinical thermometer. These thermometers are used to measure the temperature of a human body. All clinical thermometers have a kink that prevents the mercury from flowing back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of the patient. There are temperature scales on either side of the mercury thread. One is Celsius scale and the other in Fahrenheit scale. A clinical thermometer indicates temperature from a minimum of 35 degrees Celsius or 94 degrees Fahrenheit to a maximum of 42 degrees Celsius or 108 degrees Fahrenheit. In humans, the average internal temperature is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Precaution to be followed while using a clinical thermometer. The thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Jerk the thermometer a few times to bring the level of mercury down. Before use, the mercury level should be below 35 degrees Celsius or 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not hold the thermometer by its bulb. Keep the mercury level along your line of sight and then take the reading. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it may break. Do not place the thermometer in a hot flame or in the hot sun. Laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometers are used to measure the temperature in laboratories and industry. They can measure temperature higher than clinical thermometer. The stem and the bulb of the lab thermometer are longer when compared to that of a clinical thermometer. There is no kink in the lab thermometer. A laboratory thermometer has only the Celsius scale ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Precaution to be followed while using a laboratory thermometer. Don't tilt the thermometer while measuring the temperature. Place it upright. Note the reading only when the bulb has been surrounded by the substance from all sides. Difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is scaled from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or from 94 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 degrees Fahrenheit. Laboratory thermometer is generally scaled from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Mercury level does not fall on its own as there is a kink near the bulb to prevent the fall of mercury level. Mercury level fall on its own as no kink is present. Temperature can be read after removing the thermometer from armpit or mouth. Temperature is read while keeping the thermometer in the source of liquid or any other thing. To lower the mercury level, jerks are given. No need to give jerk to lower the mercury level. It is used for taking the body temperature. It is used to take temperature in laboratory. Digital thermometer. Digital thermometers do not use mercury. Instead, it has a sensor which can measure the heat coming out from the body directly. Maximum minimum thermometer. The maximum and minimum temperature of the previous day reported in weather report are measured by the thermometer called the maximum minimum thermometer. Scales of thermometers. Celsius scale. Celsius scales found by Andreas Celsius. The scales are calibrated from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius is freezing point of water. 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale found by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Freezing point of water is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and the boiling point of water is taken as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Thermometers with Fahrenheit scales are calibrated from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale found by Lord Kelvin. It also known as absolute scale as it starts from absolute zero temperature. Water's boiling at 373.15 Kelvin, 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degree Fahrenheit. Water freezes at 273.15 Kelvin or 0 degree Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. Absolute zero temperature is 0 Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius minus 459.67 degree Fahrenheit. First scale is Kelvin scale, second scale is Celsius scale, third scale is Fahrenheit scale. Relation between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. F minus 32 bar 9 equal to C bar 5. K equal to 273.15 plus C. we can convert one scale of temperature from another scale of temperature by using this formula. Thank you.